Now let us do a small experiment. Everybody please stand up on your place. Stretch your body because you are sitting for some time. Let us just do a little bit stretching. Stretch your both the hands, crossing the fingers, making the Tadasana, and then Triyak Tadasana, going to the sides, 5 times here, 5 times here, 5 times up. Very good. Those who do not have the back pain, they can go to Padhastasana while exhaling, but balance yourself. Don't rush. Do it very gently, do it very nicely by observation. Good observation, good process. Continue. Very nice. Keep it up. This is something very good. Continue. Keep it up. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. बहुत अच्छा. And now very gently forward, going into the twisting the body. Ardha Kati Chakrasana, very good. Side, very good. Side twisting, very good. Side twisting, very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. Relax yourself now. Now, those who do not have the back pain, they can go into the Padhastasana, going up and down 5 times. Inhale, hands up, exhale, touch your feet. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Maintain your balance. Don't rush. Go gentle. Very good. Very nice. Excellent. बहुत अच्छा. Very good. Very nice. Continue. And now, very gently sit down on your asana, on your yoga mat. Bring your hands in Bhairavi Mudra, left palm kept on your right hand and thumbs matching like this. In the center, bring your focus on your third eye, half eyes open. Inhale, exhale. 2, 3 deep breathing. Inhale, exhale. Very good. Stay there. Inhale, exhale. Absolutely not moving. Very good. बहुत अच्छा. Half eyes open. Take out your glasses. Relax your shoulders. Now, each time when you inhale, try to hold your breath according to your capacity, as much as you can hold. But those who are suffering with blood pressure, they should not hold it too long. Relax your hands in your lap. हाथों को बिल्कुल रिलैक्स करो, दोनों जुड़े हुए. हाँ, वेरी गुड. Eyes remain closed. Deep relaxation. Inhale, hold the breath at third eye. And now observe your whole body. Body is sitting. When you inhale, see the body through your inner inside. When you exhale, any toxins in the body will go out. Inhale the Shakti, retain the Shakti, very deep Shakti, hold it, very nice. Continue. Deep process. Slowly, slowly awareness will be in the prana, life force, and slowly, slowly prana will come, stand into your third eye, Agya Chakra. And then you let go. Subtle body, which is invisible but very powerful. Let the Shakti go to the Agya Chakra. Without efforts, after some time, Shakti may start rising. Relax your whole body. Now you will not move your body. शरीर को हिलाना नहीं. अपने आप हिलने लग जाए. You are not going to move your body by saying of your mind, let go. Even if your body is having some pain, let exhale the pain. When you exhale the pain, body become more free. Shakti become more open, joyful. Initially, you were putting efforts in bringing your eyes upward. After some time, it may start happening without efforts. Very good. बहुत अच्छा. Continue, keep on. Very good. It is so nice and cool. It is happening. Let it happen. बहुत अच्छा. Observe it, witness it, allow it, let it happen. Very good. Beautiful presence of your divine Shakti. Allow it to happen. No resistance, no fear, but allow. No control. Do not try to control. It is happening, it is flowing, let it flow. Very good. Keep it up. Very nice. The divineness is flowing. Let the divineness flow. Whenever you are fully present, divineness start flowing. Your presence is wonderful because mind depart when you are present. Mind makes movements when the mind is either in the past tense, digging the old dead memories, or in the future in some imagination. Both are not needed at this time. Just be present and allow the flow, allow the happening. Beautiful happening. Such a beautiful happening. Let go, totally let go, and see whatever is available to see. No expectation, no attachment, no saying, allow it, allow it, allow it, allow it to go. Whatever is going, allow it to happen, whatever is happening. बहुत अच्छा. Let it continue. Let it happen. Very good. Very nice. Be present and present. Witness, witness, and witness. Doing absolutely nothing. Very good. Continue. Continue. Continue happening. बहुत अच्छा. Very good. Very good. Let it happen. Let it happen. Wonderful. Allow it. Allow it. Witness the happening. Very good. let go. बहुत अच्छा. The flow is going on. Beautiful, beautiful. Without efforts, without choice. Continue, 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 continue. बहुत अच्छा. Very good. Let go, let go. The more you are effortless, the more you get connected. Let go, let go. होने दो. Beautiful. Gross to the subtle, subtle to the universal Shakti. From individual Shakti, let it happen to the universal Shakti. Dissolution of all the individual blockages, turbulence, troubles. Allow it to get connected. Allow it to flow. बहुत अच्छा. Very good. Continue. Continue. Very good. Very good. And slowly, slowly, we will chant the sound of consciousness as an expression of thankfulness. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Witness the divine Shanti. And slowly, slowly start rubbing your palms and cover your face. Stay there, cover your face with your palms, and when your eyes are closed, you can see something deep inside. Very good. divineness. And with gratitude, start rubbing your palms, rub your palms, then rub your face. हथेलियों को मलो और चेहरे को मलो. And slowly come back. बहुत अच्छा. What was happening? Anybody can share the experience if you wish to so. Hmm.
Guruji, very difficult to explain. I could just see one light in, like a tunnel and a light at the end of the tunnel.
Very good, very good.
Also, sometimes when you said you visualize here, so I could see a third eye, half open, almost like Shiva's third eye.
Very good. बहुत अच्छा. Very
Thank
nice.
you.
Very good. Congratulations.
हरिओम गुरुजी।
Hariom, Hariom. Go ahead.
जी गुरुजी, एक जो अच्छी बात मैंने इस ध्यान में देखी कि मैं कहीं प्रेजेंट में ही थी, ना अतीत में जा रही थी ना भविष्य में जा रही थी। ऐसा मेरे साथ कम होता है, लेकिन इस बार था कि मैं बिल्कुल वर्तमान में ही मौजूद थी। और
Very
ध्यान के बीच में ऐसा लगा कि हाँ, जैसे अंदर ये जो आज्ञा चक्र है वहाँ पे एक सूनापन या खालीपन जैसे स्पेस में होता है, वो खालीपन महसूस हो रहा था।
consciousness या जिसको हम कहें what is the consciousness? Consciousness is beyond three gunas. Prakriti is in gunas. When you go deep into meditation, you open the gateways to one with consciousness. And that consciousness is free from rajas, tamas, and sattva. What we say in Sankhya Yoga, they call it Purush. So, consciousness glimpses start coming. So, these can be termed as some sort of glimpses of Savichar Samadhi. One is Nirvichar, this is Savichar, where the seer is still there and seeing, and is notion of I is present. Not yet Nirvichar. Some Pragyat Samadhi, the steps towards that, pre hints or pre symptoms of that. Very good. Meenakshi ji, badai ho. Very good. Congratulations.
चरण स्पर्श गुरुजी।
Very good. Anybody else?
Hariom Guruji.
Hari Om, Hari.
Yeah. I always wait this Saturday session. Thank you very much because this guided meditation is very helpful. I just wondering whether in our daily practice, I can in the guided meditation with you, we can keep the when I felt flowing and more and more I felt that the movement is more gentle than before. However, when I practice it in my daily sessions, it's very easy for me to like shifting my attention, and it is easier if with guided meditation by you we can keep our mind only observing. What is actually the tips for daily sessions, because we don't have you in guide.
Slowly, slowly with practice, awareness will increase. Like the Shakti, sometimes we flow with the Shakti also. Now, gradually, when awareness will increase, the Shakti will start going into the calm and quiet and cool way. That will give you more bliss, which is the true nature, Sat Chit Ananda. So, that stage you will start flowing. When you enter in meditation for your own practice, go with a commitment or comment or a guidance by yourself that okay, I did the meditation with Guruji in such and such guidance, but a stage will come, no guidance is required. Automatically, your true self is the biggest guide. The Supreme Guru is within you. Outer Guru is helping you to go to the path. So then you go by your own journey, which is fearless. Sometime, even when fear comes, those are our past impressions. But we should not be worried about that. We must continue our journey and it will bring more stability. Continue this practice. Okay? बहुत अच्छा, very good. All
Thank
right,
you.
everyone. Yes, welcome. We will take only last question, then we'll conclude if you have anyone. Otherwise, will just make the prayer. Anybody got the question? All right. Everybody, please join the hand. Ma Saraswati Anand, are you ready with the prayer? Can you just go the prayer with Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina? You remember the prayer?
I do.
Go play. Go ahead, please.
Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschit Dukbhag Bhave Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your hands, feel the Agni, feel the yogic fire, and gently and slowly place your hands on your face. Be grateful for your body, for your health, for your mind, for the yogic path. And with a deep breath, slowly and gently open your eyes. Hari Om.
बहुत अच्छा, very nice. Thank you, everybody. Hari Om. Hari Om.
Hari Om Guruji.
Hari Om.
Hari Om Guruji.
Hari
हरि ओम गुरुजी
Hari Om Guruji.
Om. Hari Om. Hari Om. Hari Om.